Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how our firecracker lettuce seed is starting to produce seeds. Here's a clip from the show. This is firecracker. We moved it from in front of the beans to over here where it's going to get a little more light. And as you can see, it's starting to stretch up. I actually have a flower open here. So the way that the lettuce flowers is it's just popping off one here, one there, and it'll be blooming for, oh gosh, 3 or 4 weeks at least. And they're self-pollinating so that it will pollinate itself. And if I don't have any other lettuces in the vicinity that are going to seed, then these will be true to their own color. So I have lettuce here in front of these plants in the other bed here, but they're not blooming. So I'm not getting a cross-pollination. This will just pollinate itself. So I will be able to get firecracker seed just from this. So I'm happy to see them stretching and going to seed, and we'll just keep an eye on them. We may start harvesting some seed here in a few weeks, but it's going to be a process of them ripening as they go because they're going to bloom for a long time. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 22. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.